Hello, Crunchy Fat Clean friends. On this video, we're talking about post-construction cleaning on a window. So post-construction cleaning, you are left behind with that really fine sheetrock powder dust. It gets in everything. So you have to vacuum several times before you mop. You have to clean a window and mirror several times to get that dust off. At least that's what I like to do. And I dust and I wipe down the walls. It's just a lot of cleaning because that dust is so fine. Now keep in mind, it will get sucked into your heater and your air conditioning vents. So throughout time, after the first cleaning, if you turn on your heat or your AC, you could still have some of that post-construction sheetrock dust coming out. So it can take several different times of constantly dusting it and vacuuming it to get it all up. But anyway, back to the window. So this window had a lot of that sheetrock dust on it. I spray it down. I do my little S-shaped cleaning, and I sprayed it down again because I wanted to get it really clean. And again, because it's so fine, sometimes it takes a couple times to get rid of it. At least I like to do it several times to make sure I got it all. And then I also go around the frame of the window to get any loose spots, any spots that I missed. I go around the wood frame to get anything that may be left on the wood, and I like to look around different angles just to make sure I got it all. So post-construction cleaning, it's more work, it's more cleaning up, but it came out crunchy fat clean, beautiful.